Hi, my name is Arlene Garcia. Today's date is December 8, 2019. Today's lab exercise is for the anatomy of the urinary system, week 7. And I have my fetal pig here. And I am gonna explain the kidneys, the ureter, urinary bladder, renal artery, renal vein, renal cortex, and the renal medulla. And I already cut the fetal pig to the side and down to the umbilical cord to expose this. And I took the gastrointestinal out, and I have here the right and left kidneys, and these are two bean-shaped organs here. And then we have the renal vein. The renal vein extends superiorly to the vena cava. The vena cava is located right here in this section. So this is the renal vein right here and extends to the vena cava. We also have the renal artery that connects to the aorta, which is this one right here. So renal vein, renal artery. And then we also have the ureters right here. Right here. So, and then the ureters connect to the bladder. So this is the bladder here, and then we can see the umbilical cord. So the bladder is made of transitional epithelium that allows the urinary bladder to stretch and fill up with urine. And it also contains the smooth muscle that allows the bladder to contract and expel the urine. And then on the kidneys, we had the peritoneal membrane, this right here, that protects the kidneys from damage. And the kidneys does also have fat that I took off and I placed it on this side. But the fat, there's a little bit here. But the fat cushions the kidneys, and it also helps to protect the kidneys from any external forces and damage. And then we also have the kidney that I previously had already cut. And here, so here I cut the kidney, and we can tell the renal cortex. The renal cortex is this outer portion, and the renal medulla is the inner portion here. And it's slightly different in color. It's a little bit more lighter in here and a little bit more darker from my view here. And we can also see the renal vein, the renal artery here, and the kidneys' main function is to maintain homeostasis in the body, such as the blood pressure. And again, here are the right and left kidneys, these bean-shaped organs here. We have the aorta and the superior vena cava here, and the renal vein, artery, and then we have the ureters right here that allow the urine to pass through, connect to the bladder. The bladder then contracts and expels the urine. So this is the bladder here, and it stretches out. And we also, as I mentioned, the cortex and the medulla in the kidney here. And that concludes my week 7 video lab exercise. Thank you.